Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be specifically talking about Ethereum and the reason why the 4th of August is the date to watch here, and why we are going to generate a huge hype run up here with Ethereum, what will be resulting in, of course, way higher prices getting reached here. So if you're an Ethereum holder, I should highly suggest watching this video till the end here, and even though if you're not a holder yet here, I should suggest to watch it as well here, since you probably will be getting convinced here to maybe take a deeper look in, a deeper dive into DeFi and Ethereum. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up these likes, guys, and as well ring the bell notification, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go for 250 likes on this video. It will be amazing if everyone is going to smash it up right now here. So why am I making this kind of video and not about the charts right now on Ethereum? So first of all, I will be discussing some charts here about the reasons why I do think Ethereum will be moving up very quickly, because yeah, we are seeing some signals right now coming towards us. But I will be mainly talking about why I do think that you want to be accumulating Ethereum right now here for the coming month here, because on the 4th of August we all know that the Ethereum's London hard fork update will be deployed, what will be resulting in, of course, lower transaction fees, and as well the transaction fees getting burned, which will be having an effect on the Ethereum total supply over time here. And yeah, I already did some tweets about it here on my Twitter page at RoverCRC here. But right now in today's video, I will be discussing, of course, some more articles about it. I will be discussing as well the option expiration here for Ethereum, because the option market is right now so bullish on Ethereum. I just can't believe my eyes here. And as well, the total locked value in DeFi is getting bigger and bigger, and I will be talking about some DeFi projects what are right now full with opportunities, and yeah, this and much more will be discussed. But first, let me go in towards why the London hard fork update is so important. So they already, the mainnet of the London network will be launched here on the August 4th, what will be, of course, resulting in more fees, the fees that you are paying to send a transaction on Ethereum, that will be getting burnt here. And that is quite exciting and quite important to know here, because this will be resulting in less circulating supply for Ethereum, what will be resulting in more scarcity, what will be resulting in boosting and giving more confidence to all the holders, why, yeah, probably the prices will be rising even further for Ethereum. And this update, we have been waiting for it so long here, and it's right now happening on the 4th of August. Personally, I know how these things work here. I've been seeing it with several coins here, but we are just going to generate a hype run up here. We're going to see probably prices going to go way faster towards the upside till the 4th of August, and that can be maybe resulting in, of course, very good trading opportunities, but as well very good accumulation opportunities. So as well, if we're looking right now to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, we know that we are having a symmetrical triangle over here. What can be potentially breaking out here? What could, of course, give us a very insane price target towards the upside? Excuse me. And this can be maybe see a breakout here of an approximately 42% towards the upside. So I do expect to see this Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation symmetrical triangle breaking out before the 4th of August. I do expect this truly to play out here and truly to move towards the upside here before this date is coming towards us. So this can be, of course, resulting in way higher prices getting reached here. I do expect that Ethereum is definitely going to outperform Bitcoin in the coming month here. A lot of people have been asking me, Rover, why do you feel excited about Ethereum? It's because of the new mainnet getting launched here. What could have well just been delayed here, and right now we already know it for several days here, but since Bitcoin has been moving down here, it has been dragging Ethereum with it. But I do think Ethereum can be decoupling anytime soon here, since we are having these insane amounts of options calls, guys. Maybe you are bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe you are bearish on Ethereum right now here, but the option market is clearly not bearish at all. And I will be right now explaining why you should be paying all the attention to the option market right now here, because the smart money, the people that are calling their options, are pretty bullish on Ethereum. Because you can see over here, the green spikes are the option calls in front of us, and the red spikes are below it. So there are some option calls for Ethereum trading on maybe $1,200, of course some on $500, but you can see the most amount of option calls are basically above us. So we're currently trading on $2,100, and you can see there are a lot of option calls. The most amount of option calls for the end of the year is the strike price of $5,000. I think it's a very realistic target, very conservative still here, but there are as well a lot of calls here around the $12,000, $25,000, and you can see over here the call for open interest that Ethereum is going to increase higher is approximately 700,000 Ethereum, what equals 1.5 billion US dollars. And that is, of course, quite a big call here. And, of course, the put open interest call here. So the calls that Ethereum is going to decrease towards levels around the 1,600 US dollars is only 700 million US dollars, what equals 396,000 Ethereum in calls right now. So the option market is pretty bullish right now on Ethereum. And I do get it. With the London hard fork update coming anytime soon here, what will be occurring on the mainnet on August the 4th on block 1,296,500, it will be active from that block here. Will be having so much influence on the market because Ethereum will become deflationary. I love deflationary because it will be just providing us less and less Ethereum in circulation will be resulting in more scarcity. And I will be using my Ethereum as well to of course make good gains here. And I do see a lot of opportunities right now in the market where I don't see a lot of people talking about. And of course, I've been already warning you guys several times, like I told you before on my Twitter page. But this update for Ethereum is so highly anticipated. This update is huge. And this can be maybe the fact where Ethereum is going to decouple from Bitcoin, because always once Bitcoin tends to decrease, it's Ethereum that's going to fall as well. But maybe things will be changing anytime soon here. But then as well, the option market is quite bullish. But as well, what we're having here is DeFi. And this London hard fork update is extremely important for DeFi because the whole DeFi network is almost built here on the Ethereum blockchain. And this is pretty big here since the total locked value on DeFi has been increasing more and more and more over the years. Right now, I can see the hype run up here in DeFi. DeFi is just getting started here. And especially with the new mainnet getting out here, London hard fork update, this will be helping DeFi a lot here because the transaction fees are getting cheaper. Of course, more are getting burned here. And there is so much Ethereum transactions here in the DeFi space. It's insane. And currently we are having 55 billion US dollars locked into in DeFi. And that is insane. And you have to know, this is all built on the Ethereum network. And you can see the biggest one here is Aave with approximately 10 billion US dollars locked here. But of course, I don't only want to be talking about Ethereum over here because once I'm talking about DeFi, of course, it's getting better. So I do think with this new London upgrade that's coming out here, that not only Ethereum is going to benefit from this, I do as well think that a lot of altcoins will be benefiting from it. And especially, of course, like I told you before, DeFi projects. And I've been talking quite a lot here about this DeFi project, ULEP. And this coin has been absolutely blasting off here, to be honest. The last 30 days here, it has been giving me a 90% return here. I've been warning you guys several times about this coin as well here on the channel. The 55 million US dollars market capitalization right now here, it can be giving us such high returns. Total lock value of 150 million US dollars. This coin is absolutely blasting off here. Volume is well increasing here. And yeah, you can generate APY with this coin here on your own account. I mean, I talk quite a lot about it, but I don't do it without a reason because DeFi banking is, in my opinion, huge, and it is still so small and still so less people are watching to DeFi banking especially. And you can see you can earn 12% interest on your Bitcoins. You can earn up to 17.5% interest on your Ethereums. This is huge, and especially coins like this. I mean, just talking about DeFi, I do think that coins like ULEP as well, they will be benefiting from it because the transaction fees are getting cheaper, it's getting more reliable, it's getting faster, it's better overall for the space. So yeah, that's quite interesting, and I definitely can't wait to see what we're going to do. And as well, if we're talking about trading, I will be for sure looking to trade some big longs here on Ethereum because I will be not missing the longs that I'm going to open here on Ethereum because I do expect that Ethereum can be moving up very quickly here. And the reason why here is, of course, the London hard fork update is coming here. We're seeing decreasing volume right now coming in here in the market. This could be signifying a major move coming anytime soon here. As well, if we're looking to some indicators, we know that if we're looking to the EMA ribbon here, that we're still trading against it. The EMA ribbon is still providing us resistance, but as soon as we're going to break through this level, I do think that we can be flipping pretty bullish about this one here. And as well, in general speaking, Ethereum has maybe been in a downtrend the whole time over here. But these trends don't last forever. And as well, if I'm right now going to not enable the visible range here, but use the fixed volume profile from this, of course, run up that we started over here, from the level that we're right now trading on, I am seeing some very interesting things here. Excuse me. I am seeing some very interesting things. Since, of course, let me draw this correctly. Since over here, let me start from here on. Yeah, I am seeing some very interesting things here. Since the real rally for Ethereum started towards the upside, you can see over here, this is basically the volume trade around these levels, and the red line equals the most amount of volume trade around this level, what as well equals your best accumulation zone. So to right away answer the question to everyone who is going to ask me, where should you be buying up the most amount of Ethereums? And the most amount of Ethereum is, generally speaking, if we're setting a lineup over here, is the best accumulation level to accumulate the most amount of Ethereum is just around the $1,850 because this equals the most volume support. And if we're going to decrease towards this level, what can be potentially playing out here? Still, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we're going to decrease. But I don't care because I know what's going to happen. I know that we're going to start a new hype run up. I know for sure we're going to start a new hype run up, and I will be not missing out on Ethereum 2.0. I will be not missing out on it. And I will be doing so by accumulating more and more Ethereum. I will be dollar cost averaging. I will be building up trade positions. And how I will be doing so is as well dollar cost averaging into my position. I opened a position already. I will be prepared for everything. But if we're falling further, I will be adding more. Because Ethereum can literally see prices around to $4,000 at least, if I have to believe the open interest. And these people have a lot of money. The open interest have a lot of money. These people are betting on a higher price for Ethereum. And once they're doing that, they have a lot of influence in the market because they want to be driving prices up as well here. The whales want to be driving prices up as well. And otherwise, they're going to lose money, and they definitely don't want to be doing that. So, yeah, looking forward towards how this will be ending. But $5,000 approximately, I do think that we're going to see it by the end of the year. And maybe it can be taking several days. Maybe it can take several months here. But don't use your short-term vision. Don't use your short-term vision. Think bright. Open your eyes. You're only looking in front of you, but not aside of you. You have to open your eyes and look at the opportunities because crypto is full with opportunities. And as well on the Ethereum valuation, we can see parallel channel towards the downside getting created here. It has been providing us many resistance. It has been providing us many support on the lower side. But are we going to break through it? For sure. We're going to break this downtrend anytime. Maybe it will be taking another 2 weeks. But I do think before the 4th of August, we're potentially going to break through it. London hard fork update, you don't want to be missing out on it. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video here. I explained a little bit about why I am feeling very excited about it, and of course explained a little bit here about the total locked value in DeFi and why you don't want to be missing the DeFi. I explained a little bit about the option calls, that they are extremely bullish on Ethereum, and once the option calls are extremely bullish on Ethereum, I want to be, of course, joining them because I like to join the smart money here, and I can't withstand to not be bullish right now on Ethereum. So I'm, of course, talking about the bigger picture. Maybe on the 4 hourly candles, we're going to decrease a little bit here. But for sure, if we're going to fall further, I will be accumulating. Of course, if we're going to see another opportunity for Ethereum to open a trade here, I will be the first one to notify every one of you guys to join me maybe on the trade here on my Twitter page. So make sure to follow me here on Twitter already. It's at RoverCRC. It would be amazing if you're going to hit that follow button over there as well here. So guys, this was already it for today's video here. Thank you so much for watching to this amazing new video on the channel. Peace out. Goodbye.